So a big portion of chemistry is electrochemistry, and that is the generation of free electrons that make an electric circuit by the reaction of chemicals. So we've made a vinegar battery here. Inside this beaker is vinegar, and this is a copper electrode and a zinc electrode. And I've hooked up wires to complete the circuit. So the vinegar will interact with the copper, knocking off a few electrons. Those electrons will flow down the red wire to the multimeter, where we'll be able to measure the current that's generated. And then they'll complete the circuit by returning on the black wire to the zinc electrode. And this reaction will continue as long as there's vinegar to use. So if we turn the multimeter on, you can read the number of volts that we're producing. Should be about 1.4 volts.